Hi guys, thought I'd make another video. I am walking near rocks. I got these two. I don't know, it just caught my attention. I will use them for my veneration table. So these two I will definitely take home with me. Look how beautiful this route is. I can hear the birds. It stinks a little, but that's nature for you, huh? You hear the bird? Right. Oh, it's crying for its mom. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, this is really, really too big. This is Mother Nature at its finest, guys. Look at them trees. There used to be a guy that used to live here. I think he was homeless. Every time we would come, we would bring him fruit, sandwiches, cold drinks. And one year we came back and he was not here. So I pray that he's okay. Yeah, it's a lot of bad. And what is this? Guys, I never ventured this far. Something cement-like. Wow, that must have been hard to push. So I don't know if the train may be coming. I doubt it. But if it does, it's going to beep anyway. So look at these nice rocks. This one. That's rock number 3. I have a confession, guys. I used to collect a lot of rocks when I was little. A lot. Like a shoebox full. And my dad would say, "What are you doing with all those rocks?" I mean, he wasn't complaining, but he was like, "What are you going to do with all those rocks?" You know, it's free. It's nature. Why not, right? Now, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know what happened to my box full of rocks. But I was the type that would definitely play with rocks and collect them. I wasn't really a, doll kind of girl. My other siblings were, but I was like a type of girl that would read, collect stuff, like pennies, like nerdy stuff. But rocks, always. Even when I go to the beach, the same thing. These seashells. I have a big jar full of seashells. And why not, right? It's part of nature. Okay, we're almost coming to the end of this place. I don't want to go too far. Yes, you can hear cars passing by, but this is like a little slice of heaven. Trees and everything here. It's good to get out once in a while and connect with nature, as we all know. It just gives us a sense of if we have problems or issues or things we have to resolve. It gives us a clue, a sense of what to do, something that we may have some clarity about. So yes. Oh, look at this big one. I don't know, guys. What do you think? It looks like something. I'm going to take it. It's a little heavy. And that's all for the rock collecting. Because if I had a bucket, guys, it'll be up to the rim. So I probably put these on my veneration table. I have a lot of pretty ones. So guys, I hope you're enjoying your day. Get out. Wait, is that a whistle from a train? Oh. Get out. breathe in that sunshine, even for 10-15 minutes. It'll do you good. It will do you some good. So I am going off back to where I was.